First of all, I'm very much privileged to give thanks to our living God for this glorious day and for this blessed day. And thank you, Hornbill TV, for coming. No official architecture, libi ami ba master design ina gurina. Ado mon itu church to chutu church ase aro chutu busti ase to ini finishly bishi poor ase libi. By the grace of God, isor ba sob rasta khuli digina moala hatte puisa 1 lakh rupees ekla thagise. By faith only, by faith ba ekta biswas ngauna 1 lakh something puisa thuri na 2018 de chado na guna ado till that 5 years, within 5 years journey de nearly 1 crore in invest kurina the church Lingtak Baptist Church to construct kuru parise tadi ase Mr. Jenglu pastor hubang mother church mandu tatiba migrate kuna ala ase under his visionary leadership ina guna itu matibi donation kurise Mr. Ngamlek GB aro Mr. Matsang tajun bra itu mati donation kurina aro Lingtak Baptist Church laga pastor Mr. K Bongat aro secretary Mr. Angsam aro Mr. Sengai Council Chairman Mr. Ponyel Head GB Mr. Longleng home evangelist Kam prayer committee leader Mr. Hideng former village council chairman Miss Ibo woman pastor Miss Amungla youth pastor under their leadership one moon miligana in a construct group behind every successful person there is someone behind in a coalition. I mean like advisors can in ase who are behind the scene. Mr. Samjay teacher Mr. N Nakai Mr. Dr. E Laklay SCO Mr. Kamlo who is here in Longleng Mr. Ngalam PA minister Mr. Angam video Timabor Mr. Muyong a collective leadership member and member talk team Mr. Penglong UDA Kohema and my amigos friends Dan Brai. They are the advisors behind the scene in a advice collective advice idea right in the money to construct parise. Aro I would like to extend special thanks to my video Sir Ikondang Ralan Woka aro Mr. Along Ponyak Ebio Mr. Chengmai President ENBO Woka Pastor John ENBF Woka tangan laga tangan bramoy especially mon la tangan advice aro especially Sir Ikondang video tai bra muge time dia gani mon mui tadi time control guru parise ina goina aro agina materially timawor la ki materials kan ido construction kan ki lagi ase ido Mr. Pungne timawor aro Mr. Manung timawor dajun bra sob iniga aniu parise parina timawor la ki saman anise sob dajun rex loigena time digina sacrifice kuina dajun bra pota gani mon aji ido successful day ekta inia hoije. Apart from this itu official architect na holibi mystery kan lode itu kota gurina iniga guribude iniga practically Mr. Hungsang head mystery ase Mr. Kalek head mystery ase Mr. Sengnye mystery ase Mr. Ngamnye Mr. Chingsei Mr. Alui Mr. Himdok Mr. Longmai tan main mystery tan ase tan brai implement gurse practically tan itu kam du ki ase mondo advisors kan advice dise church leaders kan mon kam garni kota gurise idea dise hoilibi practically ina kam gurina chado mon itu mystery thana se ina guina mon achi ekta remarkable day nia mon pungse phamna na thakala tin ekta ina isobra mon ke rasta khuli dise sob rasta re blessing dise tikina ina mon ekta one of glorious day blessed day yes I should say nia cause